Every space tells a story, from a cozy home to a trendy cafe. Great design makes us feel something. But here's the thing, most people know what they like, but not how to make it happen. That's where this course comes in. Welcome to the Interior Design Short Course by IQ Academy. Each unit that you complete will build your confidence. You'll learn to balance style and function. Use colour and lighting to set the mood. Plan layouts that flow. Choose materials that last. And turn your creative ideas into real design solutions. You'll think like a designer, confident, creative, and ready to bring any space to life. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for style into real design skills, your journey to transforming spaces starts here with IQ Academy.